Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Hello there everyone. In this video I want to show you how to factory reset your LG Aristo 2. Okay, so I want to show you how to completely factory reset back to its factory condition, and I'm going to show you two methods to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it through the settings, and I'm also going to show you how to do it with the phone powered off. So in case you have a password and you can't get into it, you'll be able to do the hard reset it back to factory condition so you can start using it normally again. Also, if your phone is running slow or it has a virus, this will help you also so that it can start running smoothly again. So let's show you the first option. First, go to settings. And then here you're going to go to general. And then here we're going to scroll down to backup and reset. So select that. And then here scroll down, factory data reset. And then we're going to hit reset phone. Remember, if you can back up anything that you want to keep, I suggest you do so, because this is going to erase everything on the phone back to its factory state, so everything will be erased. Once you're ready, hit reset phone and then hit delete all, and the reset process will begin. All right, let's go ahead and power the phone off now so I can show you how to do the other hard reset method. Okay, so once the phone is completely powered off, what we're going to do is we're going to hold the volume down button and the power button. We're going to hold them both at the same time for a couple seconds until the LG logo comes up. Once the LG logo comes up, you're going to let go of the power button and press it again and continue to hold them both. So let's go ahead, press them both, volume down, power button. Let go of the power button and press it again and continue to hold both. And it's going to bring you to this menu right here, factory data reset. Here you're going to scroll down with the volume button to yes and hit the power button to confirm. Once again, scroll down to yes once you're ready and hit the power button to confirm. And the reset process will begin. So remember, everything on your phone is going to be erased back to its factory condition. Okay, so as we can see, the phone is at the initial setup of the phone. So we can go ahead and go through all the steps now to set it up. So the phone has been reset back to its factory condition. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you around in the next one. And as always, peace.